after a visit to the castle, we're having a wander around Tintagel. Usual gift shops, pubs, takeaway cafes, and a shop that sells rucksacks. And wherever we go, it's another of Keith's obsessions. He's got to buy a rucksack. Why? Aren't we supposed to be downsizing? Oh, I suppose you can pack stuff in it. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Can we go and have a coffee now?
Yes. The honey shop.
And a honey shop. Yes. You went in the honey shop, didn't you? Had a chat.
It's virtually exactly the cost of what we used to sell.
Guest honeys.
It was all there.
It says guest honeys over there.
Oh yeah. I've got as many guest honeys as we have.
No. We do miss our honey shop.
Havens aren't very big for 2 dogs and me and everybody else.
So that was Tintagel. Well, you know how we like to find a house to do up. I think that might be one to do up for us. So we're just heading into Port Gavern. Doing a little bit of reversing here, a very narrow lane. A bit close. Whoa. It's a bit of a tight one, isn't it?
So it might have been a car park here.
Take the next right.
You what, Keith?
What?
There's a few doer-uppers.
There are.
Ooh, that looks nice up there. Nice road up.
That's where we're going.
Be fun. Just driving through Port Isaac. Some of you might know it for the TV series Doc Martin, and others for the film Fisherman's Friends, about the lifeboatman who
Go round that way or down there.
discovered. Looks a bit tight down there.
What do over?
Yeah, St. Peter's church ruins. So yeah, the Fisherman's Friends were discovered singing in a pub and made an album, and then made some more albums of sea shanties.
Turn left onto 4 Street.
These are tight little roads though.
Thank goodness it's a one-way system.
Take the next left onto 4 Street.
It's become a very busy place because of the TV series.
In 180 yards, at end of the road, turn left onto Church Hill.
So we got a problem.
Too big.
We're too wide. What's the width maximum? It says further
6
down.
foot, and we're 7'7".
So this guy in front of us has got to turn around. And then we've got to turn around. Oh, the joys of Cornish lanes. He's not as long as us.
Right down, I'll follow the orange. The girls got to come out around there now. Right.
Out to cause a bit of mayhem.
Shush.
Fun with Cornish lanes, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, you reversal.
How close can I get to that curve?
You've got about a foot yet. Oh, he's going.
Those streets don't help.
No. Well, we're a bit of excitement.
Recalculating.
Oh, you can shut up.
Right onto 4 Street.
Well, that were a trip and a half, wasn't it? And an end to the day.
It was. I mean, what we done? Come inland now, haven't we? Try
Yeah.
and find somewhere to park up. All the car parks in either National Trust, they're saying no overnight campers,
They have security patrols.
Allegedly. I don't know whether that's true, but the signs are there. And the council-run car parks don't like, or most of them don't like overnighting, so we're a bit stuck.
Missing a trick, aren't they?
Yeah.
Really. Not very welcoming.
So we've come inland. We're near a wind farm, near a monolith, a standing stone.
You'll see that in the next video.
But
so, we've decided to finish the night with a packet of crisps
a bottle
and some Sauvignon Blanc,
of
alcohol-free, of course.
Sounds alright.
Sounds like wine. We're not posh, we haven't got wine glasses. So thanks for watching.
Nicely chilled. Thanks for watching.
Hope you liked it. We've enjoyed today.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.